Hello, welcome to the channel. So I haven't played Hearthstone in about a year and a half or so. And I decided to just log in. And I have 32 packs to open apparently. So I thought I would make a little low-key unboxing video. I know some people like to watch the COD pack openings. But I've got 19 standard. This is, I think, Nathria, which was like 2 expansions ago, and then 3 of the newest one that's like Festival, I think. Let's go. We'll just start with standard, I guess. And I haven't played in like a year and a half or 2 years, so I have no idea what the meta's like right now or anything. I don't have any like expectations or any certain cards I'm hoping for here, but just want to kind of open these, see what we get. Okay, nothing too special out of that one. I'm realizing that I don't even know what like the new keywords are. Okay, and apparently my friend did say that there are locations now. I don't know exactly how those work, but destroy friendly minion. I guess it just sits out on your board. I don't know if you can destroy it or not though. And then it just applies some kind of board effect. Ooh, jazz bass. Okay, that's interesting. Now, any Paladin cards, I love Paladin. Always love Paladin. I don't know what this Infuse does, though. Upgrades in hand after X friendly minions die. Okay, interesting. So it's a Silver Hand Recruit card. I don't know if Silver Hand Recruits are coming back. I know that was a popular deck a couple years ago. And then also the Death Knight class too. I've never played Death Knight. I don't know when that came out. It was not out when I was playing this last. So Frost, so it's a Death Knight spell. But Paladins can also use it. Interesting. And now there's Warlock Murloc decks? Okay. Shimmering Sunfish. Okay, that's interesting. I like that. Okay, so infuse to get multiple totems. Battlecry, discover a legendary on a neutral? Okay. We are 8 packs in, still no legendary. I don't know what any of the new legendaries are either. I guess we'll see. It's a golden common. Guitar soloist. So we've got a bit of a music theme. And then a mosh pit. So is there just a bunch of music and like band theme stuff in standard right now, I guess? Because these are the normal packs. Mana Thirst. So if you have 7 mana crystals, it also... Oh, it restores 5 health. Okay. So Mana Thirst and Infuse are new keywords. The last time I played was like right when Reborn came out. Cover artist. Okay, that's interesting. So if anyone sees like a card that catches their eye that I get, you just leave like a comment or something down below with like a popular deck or something if I can build one. Because again, I don't know what's meta right now. Oh, there we go. Bounce Around featuring Garona. Return all friendly minions to your hand. They cost 1 this turn. So we got a rogue legendary. Is it a spell? I'm not a huge fan of rogue, but I'll take any legendary I can get for sure. I'm kind of excited to open these court packs up here. Only 1 legendary for 19 packs is not very great. Hopefully we'll get some more in these. So let's start on the Nathria packs here. Just looking for legendaries. Ooh, there we go. The Harvester of Envy. After you play a card copied from the opponent, steal the original. That's cool. And an epic. Summon 2 different dormant wild seeds. Make your wild seeds awaken 1 turn sooner. Okay, this is making me like really want to play some Hearthstone. Try out some of these new cards. Down to 8 packs left. Nothing crazy. Did they lower the drop rates of legendaries? I mean, we've gotten 2 for how many? 27 packs? Only 2 legendaries? It's kind of crazy. I feel like I used to get a lot more back in the day. Relic of Dimensions. Okay. I don't know exactly how those relics work. This totem's interesting. It's all classes, so there's neutral totems now? Okay, no more legendaries, but we did get another location card for Priest. The whole concept of those locations is kind of cool. I don't know exactly how they work, but... Okay, so we're hoping for at least 1 more legendary here in these last couple packs. Not even a rare in this one. Oh, well, one rare. Forgot you were required to get 1. These are cool though. Remixed musician, got instrument tech, Fiddlefire Imp. So this whole newest expansion, the whole festival one, is music themed. We got guitar soloist. Even the mall has strings on it. It's awesome. All right, last pack. Oh, the last card of the last pack is a legendary. I wonder if it'll be something like ETC themed or something. Going down swinging. Give your hero +2 attack and immune this turn, then attack each enemy minion. Okay. Seems decent. Alright, well. That's 32 card packs. We got 3 legendaries. I think like 8 rares. Or 8 epics, I mean. So, yeah. If you liked it, leave comment down below. Maybe I'll do some more pack openings. Maybe I'll open some boxes on League or something. Sometimes I just buy those boxes and it'd be fun to, you know, I don't mind making a video. It'd be fun doing like unboxing videos and stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.